Morning, Chief and members of the court. Thank you for your time today and allowing the Bar Association to participate in this important process. The rule that I'm going to be addressing is a rule that was considered and rejected, the collaborative law privilege, and we're going to ask that you reject that objection. Here today to ask the court to codify into an evidence rule the collaborative law privilege, which is contained in the New Jersey Family Law Act, which was enacted by the legislature on September 10th, 2014. We object to the committee's rejection of the codification of same into an evidence rule. The proposed collaborative law privilege and asking that it be codified into the rules of evidence follows the model of the mediation privilege that was contained in the Uniform Mediation Act in 2004 and then codified in Evidence Rule 519 in 2007. Collaborative law is a process where the parties agree and commit themselves to resolving all issues arising out of their case, and they commit to staying out of court and to not litigate. It is a kinder, gentler way to divorce, and the primary focus is on children. One of its mantras is to keep the children in the center and never in the middle. Since 2005 in New Jersey, divorce lawyers have used this process to help clients and their families. This led to the statute's enactment in 2014. An evidentiary privilege is included in the statute to protect participants from the disclosure of any communication during the collaborative process. The proposed collaborative law evidence rule follows the mediation privilege and seeks to have an evidence rule so to ensure communications are privileged and so that participants can engage candidly in the process to facilitate resolution. It is not entirely clear to us why the subcommittee rejected the proposed rule. Perhaps the small subcommittee consisting of 5 lawyers did not have familiarity with the collaborative law process or its growing rise in use or its incredible value it brings to families in resolving family law issues in a fair, peaceful, and amicable way. In an attempt to facilitate collaborative law, and since the privilege is of critical importance to the process, just as it is in mediation, we ask the court to adopt the proposed evidence rule. And we thank you for your time today.